Easy out of here. Yeah. Easy out of here.
Recipes, baby.
I just paid for my flight, yo. I'm on the flight.
I done caused many fights, I ain't no fucking on storage. Catch me in Atlanta, no security with my jewelry.
$4,000 live account, Genesis Markets, right? I'm gonna do a big withdrawal towards the end of the week, man. I may do $30, $40, $50,000.
On the chain, they controlling, see my main partner turn into a race.
See this? Next time you see this, I'm gonna see a big difference. Yo, what's up, YouTube? So we are back with another video. As you can see right here, man, I'm here chilling at the airport, right? Cooling. Just got done trading, which I'm gonna show y'all. It's dope. Guys, we are on the way to New Orleans. This is my first time in New Orleans. I've never been to New Orleans, personally. But I'm not really gonna get to experience New Orleans the way I want to. I only have literally a couple hours, and then I gotta wake up, head to the passport agency, so I can get a passport printed out. For some reason, there's no 24-hour same-day passports in Houston, at least that I don't know of, right? They have no appointments available, so I have to literally hop on a flight to go to New Orleans, and then from New Orleans, I'm gonna head back to Houston within the same day, and then I'm going to head to Colombia, man. So we have a crazy 24 hours. I'm gonna be traveling on the road. You know what the beauty about this, right? This is the beauty about what I do every single day. I literally just got into a trade, right? I'll show y'all. I literally just got into a trade, as you can see right here, right? Bow. I got into a trade. I made $4,000 already. $4,000 already. I think I'm still in. Let's see. Trade locker. Okay, cool. So look, $4,000 live account, Genesis Markets, right? I'm gonna do a big withdrawal towards the end of the week, man. I may do maybe $30, $40, $50,000, right? Pay myself from some of the trading profits. But listen, $4,000 already on the day. Caught some gold trade. I'm looking for a gold buy here. So it's pretty simple. I'm actually going to show you exactly what I looked for, right? So I actually caught the gold sell. Price obviously is in a downtrend, right? When price started working its way down, all I did was catch the continuation for the sell. And then once price cleared this level, at that point, price was at a buy, right? So can't really show you right now as much as I want to. Right now I'm trying to turn my laptop on. I need to get a new laptop because for some reason it's not working. But guys, I'm about to get my teeth done. This is crazy. Like, my teeth are okay. There's nothing like crazy like wrong with them. But I believe in self-development. I believe in like the power of this, right? This cell phone has took me places I can never imagine. Literally, guys, I literally paid for my whole trip in 2 hours. Trading from my cell phone in the flight. This is real world. I made a withdrawal already today for $1,000. I'm gonna withdraw some more later on tonight, probably, right? Probably when I wake up, who knows? I'm not done trading yet, but I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful, man, because I told myself I'd be doing everything I am. And some days I just smile because I know like things are so different. Like this was so different. My life was so different a few years ago. A couple years ago, guys, I was broke as fuck. You know what I'm saying? $50,000 in credit card debt. I'm gonna keep saying that number because I couldn't fathom. I used to look up and be like, bro, how? How did I even get to this point? How am I even $50,000 in credit card debt? Man. Not gonna lie, some days it makes me emotional, man, because I know this. You know, it's crazy. There's people out here that doesn't know this exists. Right? There's people out here that thinks this is a scam. There's people out here that doesn't believe that there's more out there for them in life. And for anybody that's watching this video, right? I'm here to tell you, yes, it doesn't matter what you're going through. You can change your situation if you believe and you actually get around the right type of people and you apply yourself. You can do that, right? It's easy to be negative. It's easy to have your head down, right? When shit's going left, right? You know it's hard? Even when everything is going wrong, you still show up every day. Even when people are fucking you over, you still do good. Even when motherfuckers are stealing, scamming, selling their ass, selling their body, doing this and this, you still stand true to what you believe and you value. That's hard, especially in this economy, especially in this world. 2026, right? So for anybody out there, man, if you're living a righteous life, man, you're not cheating nobody, you're not grinding, this page is for you, right? I relate to people that are working class, that literally not doing nothing wrong, they just trying to apply themselves every day and looking for a way out. That's the people I resonate with, man. That's the people that love my content. right? Anybody that's kind of doing something negative, they're not gonna resonate with me well, right? Because I don't do that. I personally don't, right? I ain't knocking nobody. But that's just not me, man. I want my page, man, to be for people that really just want to change the situation, man, and want to, get motivation for waking up the next day, right? It doesn't matter where you're at. $50, $20, $30. This is possible. Look at my screensaver, guys. Every day I look at this person right here in the screensaver, and I'm proud of him, right? I'm proud of him. And I'm not proud of him because of the fucking Lambo. I'm proud of him because when everything was going left, he still chose to do right. When everything was going negative in his life, he still got on his knees and thank God, right? When nobody believed in what the fuck he believed in, he still showed up every single day for himself. I'm so proud. My guy, what's up, G? Legendary Drake.
This ain't no gang sign.
Yeah, it's yeah, for sure. Nice to meet you, buddy. Where you from?
Louisiana.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to Louisiana for the first time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where you going?
New Orleans? You got some. Okay, cool. You got some food recommendations? What's up? Yo, so I just got the man's IG, man. But listen, just connecting, networking, man. But listen, it don't matter what you're going through. If you believe in yourself that you can do something, you can do it. Don't let nobody take that away from you, man. And this just comes from me, man. Hey, I'm gonna show y'all the wins. I'm gonna show you the losses. Right now, y'all just seeing a lot of wins, right? But I do take losses. I take a lot of losses. But you just seeing wins because God's been blessing me. But there's gonna come a time when God's going to remind me of why He's in control. You know what I'm saying? So when that time comes, I'll definitely show y'all that, right? But I've been minimizing risk and everything like that, so it's cool. But man, I'm about to pack up to the airport. I'm gonna make this flight. Once we land, we're gonna get a hotel to New Orleans, right? I'm gonna wake up early as fuck in the morning, right? I'm gonna wake up early in the morning. I'm gonna go to the passport agency. I praise God. I hope that I'm able to get my passport, because then I'm gonna meet my lady in Colombia. Then I'm gonna go get these teeth fixed. So when y'all see me shining, I'm gonna be like this. Y'all gonna be sick of me when y'all see this smile, because I'm gonna keep smiling all day. Just stay tuned. Probably gonna get some more trades and stuff like that, man. So we just chilling right now for now. Go hop on this flight. All right, cool. So let's do a quick analysis on what we have going on for AUD CAD. I'm going to show you in steps exactly what I'm looking for and understanding, right? So as you can see with your CHF, it's really simple. As you can see right here, price is over bearish, right? So now price has came to this point, it's made the support, and now it's looking to push up. So I like what price has already did. It's already kind of created a low. What I want to do in this scenario is pretty simple. You see price has hit this red line right here, right? This red line is basically what I don't want price to go below, right? So in this situation right here, as you can see, price did this super bearish candle. That's just a fake out candle that they do to get people out of the trade. All of this was consolidation and ranging, right? Building up orders. Now that price has already broke out of the range, I'm looking to take this to the upside. So all I'm going to be doing is I'm looking to put a stop loss under this support, right? I'm going to put a stop loss under the support, and I'm going to ride this trade all the way back up because price is already cleared. It's already did the consolidation ranging, and it's already did the fake outs. So now I'm looking to take price all the way at least to minimum this resistance. At this point, when price is at this resistance level, right? When price gets to this resistance level right here, at that point I can decide on what I want to do. So I'm going to actually take this buy position, and then, like I said, it's a clean risk to reward, because once price gets to this resistance, at that point I can make a decision on whether or not I want to hold or just keep my profits and go about my day. Right now I'm in the middle of a trade. I just called a buy for gold. I am down $300. But if I'm correct on this, let me put a stop loss. I will make 3,000 plus. So I see it right here, man. Hey, send some prayers my way, man. I'm praying that gold goes through. I just dropped this in the chat, man. So I'm gonna show y'all whether I win or lose, man. Right now I'm down 500. Oh my lord. But hey, I trust the analysis. I'm just risking the money. Y'all see me make $4,000, right? Now I'm just risking everything. So I'm risking everything right now. So we're gonna see how it goes. Risky, but hey, fuck it, we ball.
Keep on when the ball starts. Don't stop till you get enough. Keep on when the
All right, cool. So right now we're gonna chill at Alpha Lounge and having all down here to get my passport. So I'm literally on a ticket on the way to Colombia. As you speak right now, went to New Orleans to beat this. Got me 74 hours when I was son. I'm grateful for that. Now we are trading right now currently. Last trade of the day, right? Now guys, I took a loss. I took a loss today. It's crazy. I haven't been able to record all I wanted to, but I took a loss. Right now, I'm trading. So at the bat entry at the top. I'm hoping price can just start pushing up. I'm hoping price can just pull up, kind of get to this 457 range. So I just call this in the chat, man. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, cool. So if I'm at a resistance, right? Always remember, if price sells super violently down, guess what? Typically what it's gonna do, it's gonna come back and retest. Somewhat faithful form, somewhat shape fashion. Before price does a complete trend reversal to the downside. Right? 9 times out of 10 this happens, right? So you gotta think in this situation, this is my top of my resistance, right? That's my top. This is my range. This is the range you're in. You're in a range right now. It's moving sideways. Once price pushes up right here, then comes right here and starts bottom, we're in a range. All right, only thing is now when we're at this topic of resistance, right? Now when price pushes up, we would see some form of variation of price movements way downhill. That's gonna tell me that I'm in a trend reversal, right? You wanna see that because once I see a price is selling off, I can remind that, oh, okay, hey, price right here has the top of the resistance, right? If price starts working way downhill, then I can continue doing the lifestyle, right? Of actually selling price and making money from that. All right, so everything is a trend reversal pattern. You always ask yourself, okay, if we're at a support level and we're getting an inverted head and shoulders, cool. Inverse is basically price. It's a normal head and shoulders. This is inverse. Cool, so we're flipping this. This is a trend reversal pattern. But basically what it's insinuating is that every single time okay, so as you can see right here, just same concept right here, right? Price does what? Comes down to support. What does it start doing? It starts buying, right? Expanding. Now, how do I know that price is gonna buy? Well, simple, bro. Right? Let's do some analysis real quick. I'm just showing you deep market structure because I think that's what you're struggling on. Right? Look at this, Marcus. This is a what? What is price doing right here? No. This thing could buy up. There's only 2 spots it can buy. It's either gonna buy right here. Simple as that. So if it's that simple, let's make it simple on ourselves. What area would make more sense for you to link somewhere, shape, or form in this time frame? Exactly. But so sometimes you can't wait. So I would wait and make it anywhere from 92 down. Man, 92, 93 and down. It's gonna be really crazy. But all I'm saying is this is still buy. I'm going on a higher time frame, doing top-down analysis. Right? Look at this. It's easy to sell this. Every random moment to try to sell this. We're overall on a bullish trend. So it makes no sense to sell this. Right? When prices at a resistance, right, and they start ranging, that shows you, something. If I'm in a sell, then price is at a distance. Right? And they're just ranging at a resistance, ranging this. That means this continuation. Anytime price sells off, buys up, right? It doesn't matter what it does. Normally, price buys up like this, and then it starts ranging. Typically, what price is going to do, they're going to tell you what the range, and they're going to fix it to the left, right? So they'll tell you about the range. Hey, price of range X, Y, Z. Give you a heads up for you to do a continue. Now you can do a continuation to the upside. It's cute. There you go. So your problem, Mark, is that you're struggling with right now is you're overthinking, and you're not keeping a simple system. Keep it simple. Stop doing your own shit. Right? So in this situation right here, that's fine. So look at this right here. You see this? Price sold. Okay, cool. So now look. Look from a daily perspective, right? From a daily perspective, in this situation, this is super bearish. Right? How do I know it's bearish? Well, cool. So in this scenario right here, see this little gap where it's pushed up, fill the gap, and now it's worked its way down to you. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, I wouldn't buy this yet. Not yet. I wouldn't buy this. This doesn't give me enough time to buy. This is just so random. I wouldn't buy this. So I wouldn't buy right here just because of the candlestick formation. Look at the market structure, right? This is not giving a potential buy opportunity. This is a continuous sell opportunity to the downside. But yeah, I'm not saying that buy is not coming, but it's probably gonna push one more down, one more time, and then it's gonna come. This is just an odd area for. Okay, look at this bullish engulfing of support. So this is a morning star. In reality, this is supposed to sell. In reality, this is the doji. Yeah, so I'm currently down $1,300. I'm actually down $1,100 on the day. Man, honestly, I put my stop loss right here at this low. If it doesn't buy all the way up, then shit, I'm just take my L and go over there. I had a bad entry up here, but so we're just gonna let this play out, see how it goes, man. But shit, I'm down right now. Losers come with the game, man. Guys, everything is scheduled in entries, right? I could live with the outcome because I understand that, hey, just because I'm down on a trade doesn't mean it's the end of the day, right? It can still go in my favor. My stop loss did get hit for the group, which I don't like, right? Because everybody else lost. So I just moved my last stop loss to 315. Personally, right? I really under leverage, so I'm okay with taking the risk. But you know, as far as everybody else, you know, we all got a stop loss hit. So I'm just gonna let this one rock out. Hopefully I'm right, then I'll call it back again once it crosses over that blue line. But we'll see from now. I'm in the middle of trading on the way to my flight. Got some notes here. Just taking notes and stuff like that. So today I had a standby flight. It was kind of free, so that's why I was taking it. But listen, that shit bite me in the ass because why have I been at the airport for like 12 hours? So now we're literally about to board. Thankful, grateful. Right, let's check on the trade. Damn. Okay. Stop loss hit.
Walk on that board, hun.
3K loss. That did not go as expected. Yeah, so we are finally boarding to Colombia, man. Yo, keep in mind, if I didn't take this trade shit serious, it's a Monday. Keep in mind, right? I've been traveling for 24 hours. This is the beauty of being able to work in the phone, man.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
Rest piece of bankroll, showing how to do it.
I just paid for my flight, yo. I ain't the flight. Look it up.
Enjoy.
Yo, so we just landed in Colombia. Now we head straight to the dentist office, man. Cool. So we headed straight to the dentist. Man, I'm talking about the longest, craziest flight. It's crazy now. I'm exhausted. Like, I don't think you understand. I've been traveling for 24 hours. 24 hours. I've been wearing the same clothes. I haven't took a shower. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all.
I need to learn Spanish because there's literally a gap that if you don't know Spanish, you're literally behind. I don't even know what this guy's doing right now, but we're just chilling in the taxi. I did a withdrawal today, right? I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. I'm gonna show you what's possible. Look at this. Okay, cool. So I did a withdrawal today for $3,700. Right, I did another withdrawal earlier. That was for $1,200. I did another withdrawal earlier for $3,600. So we're looking at $3,600. Then we add that 37. Another 1,000. Oh, for God, I'm so grateful and thankful. Get to travel on a Monday. I'm blessed, but I know, listen, I ask for protection, safety, right? Wherever I go, I'm protected by you, Jesus. Man, it's a blessing you to do this, but hey, I want to make sure I make it back safe. You know what I'm saying? I got a big event in Atlanta. We got a big event on Atlanta that we're going to be going to, so I'm grateful. Jesus knows, pray now. Look at this. It's dope.
Yeah, everybody with me got.
Yo, guys, so I'm a strong believer in manifestation, right? For me, right, when I was kind of at my lowest moment, you know, which I kind of spoke about in my previous vlogs, I really truly had to sit back, write down the things that I want in this life, right? And I know people say that and it's cliche and shit like that, right? But listen, right? Writing things down has completely changed my life. Oh my God, look at this, hold on. This shit is so crazy, like, wow, look at this. Look at this, like, this is crazy. All right, so back to what I was saying, guys, everything that you speak in your life matters, right? You have to speak words of positivity, blessings, manifest the life that you want, the dream life you want. You got to say these things. When I was down and out and when things were going left to me, right, I didn't sit there and be like, damn, you know what? Oh, shit's going left. It's not going to work out. Just being negative, right? I always used to sit and think of, okay, how can I find the positive in everything I do, right? You know, maybe I made $50 on the day, right? Maybe I got a good workout, right? Maybe that, you know, I was able to, you know, get into my car and drive somewhere, right? I was trying to find the positive of every situation, right? Because it changed my perspective. And for me changing my perspective, guess what it did? The energy I put out into the world wasn't negative, right? So good things will constantly just keep happening to me, right? So I tell this for you, whatever you want your dream life to look like, right? Maybe you want a nice car, maybe you want a nice crib. Write those things down. People used to say that shit to me all the time. Write it down. Guys, you're 67% more likely to literally complete something when you write it down. I used to write down everything from cleaning my house, washing dishes, making a phone call, praying, like every single little task that I want to, the daily task, I used to write that stuff down and I'll see myself checking that off the list. And next thing you know, I'm building momentum, right? I'm telling you, that's what got me out of my situation, right? You may not have a direction, you may not have a reason or any reason why you're gonna do what you need to do, or you don't even know what to do, right? God, ask God for discernment, ask God for guidance. All throughout the day, right? I tell myself, hey God, I don't know what I'm doing, but lead me to the right, or give me the right video to copy, or give me an idea, change my perspective, just lead me, Jesus. I don't know my direction. Guys, put your problems on God. Everything that you're facing in your mind, anything that you're telling yourself, put those things with God, right? God can handle all that, right? Put that pressure on God. God, I don't know what I'm doing. God, I may not have the answers. Things may be confusing. God, I'm on my last. I don't know how I'm gonna make rent. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know you're gonna find a way. I know that you have a plan for me. I know there's a season that you want me to go through so I can understand how to not put myself in this position again. God, what lesson do I need to learn? How can I grow? How can I learn from this? How can I develop a mental state to be able to handle this? God, I know you're preparing me, right? You're preparing me for me to handle myself as a man when I have a family. God, you're preparing me because I'm gonna go through way worse situations in my life. God, you're preparing me because I know I'm gonna face harsher battles that are gonna put me through adversity, that's gonna be discomfort, right? That I'm gonna go through, which I know you're preparing me so I can handle it, right? Give me the peace, God. Give me the expertise. Give me what is needed, God, so I can go to the next level. But most of all, give me the power, God, to even when bad situations come, God, I can still call your name and still believe in you, man.
Baby got the streets on hold.
So we just rode to the dentist, man. This is the last time y'all gonna see this.
Still in the project. Baby putting on for the city.
Listen, I
Baby,
want them old pearly whites. Hey, when you see this, next time you see this,
Let's see the teeth for now.
yeah. I'm blessed. I'm cool. It's not too crazy. You know what I'm saying? But y'all gonna see a big difference. You know what I'm saying? This gonna change the game for sure. So I'm glad y'all get to be with me on this little journey. You know, you gotta just upgrade everything. Everything get upgraded. Your whip, your crib, everything get upgraded. Alright, cool guys. So we are finishing up, man. We about to start the process. Me getting my tape done. It's been a hectic to even get to this place, man. But listen, we made it on time. Just now we about to actually start the process. But I'm gonna let y'all walk y'all through every step. Right, so y'all can see, man, this is what trading can do. Right? I take the money from trading I made. I'm just doing this and then implementing this to invest in myself. This is a long-term thing, man. There's nothing better about having a smile so you feel confident, you feel good about yourself every single day, man. So y'all literally seeing the journey of everything that's been going on, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, we just wrapped it up, man. Fresh new mouthpiece. Final result, man. Day trading has completely changed my life, man. I've been able to travel across the world because of the skill set, guys. Y'all seen me last month, man. Get a Lamborghini. Now this month, man, I invested and got myself new teeth. Now, what is this gonna do for me, man? I'm gonna be able to go through business meetings. I'm gonna feel more confident about myself. And most of all, man, I'm gonna feel better about what I do, right? Guys, the skill set has changed my life, man. As y'all can see, this week we drew 20,000 out the market, right? You know, it's not no fake, nothing fake, right? Just a whole bow, you see that, right? Guys, this is what's possible with trading, man. Trading has completely changed my life, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, show some support, man. I've been bringing y'all on this journey, man. We're about to head back to Atlanta. We got an event for the mastermind. But we just finished up in Cali, Colombia, man. Appreciate all the support.